Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are working with the new Traci Reed collection called Renewal. I have done some pre-planning on things that I want to cut out. I've decided on my photos, and we're just going to still work in this little TN that I'm trying to fill up. This has just been the current one, so I believe this was an original like Cocoa Daisy insert, but I simply just color up pages that I hadn't used yet. So there's a few like here that I just couldn't find a use for the pattern, so I'm okay with covering them up. That way this becomes full and complete, and that way I stay also like chronological. So I think like the first layout in here probably looks like mostly October and November, and then yeah, December. This was a Traci Reed project too. So yeah, so it's rather current and in chronological, well, not really in pages, but you know what I mean. So I love that this collection has like these marigold colors, these like steel blue and navy, and then this lavender color has been really nice to see as a color palette. I'm also liking that some of the papers I had also printed off, you know, some other ones that I want to use to just for future projects, some of the distress look that she's included. So it's been really fun and different. So I'm loving this marigold. So I've chosen these two, and then I've done a bunch of the stickers that I will cut up for my embellishments. So you are a part of a blog hop today. So I will leave the links to everyone else you need to hop over to for inspiration using this kit down below. Let's get started. So let's get started in our traveler's notebook. Now, the photos, you saw that there were two. We have a, like, you know, local farms that have strawberry picking, you know, bell peppers when they're in season, tomatoes, and I forget when the sunflowers bloom, but we had gone there for the sunflower pictures and took a picture with them because it was just so perfect. And sunflower is actually Valentina's favorite flower. Whenever we see one, pass one, she needs to buy one. So it's sentimental too. So the sentiment you just saw me was actually on a solid like marigold background, and it had kind of like these white boxes behind it. I sent mine off to print at Office Depot, and it came back with like one pink strip through the center of it, and it was just driving me bonkers. And so I had to think creatively on how to still use the sentiment, and voila, we have to cut it up into little word strips, and it works perfectly. So always think outside of the box when it comes to your digital collection, even though I may have printed it with every intention to use it as, she calls it a signature traveler's notebook page, but I can incorporate two of them in one. And I thought that worked out perfectly, especially since the colors coordinate seamlessly. And then I just cut out a few of the flowery bits and things that I knew I wanted to use. So I like the blue / purpley colors with the marigold and the gray. I think is just working perfectly together. So this is the new collection from Traci Reed. There's a whole YouTube hop happening right now, and always when I do these layouts with her, I always end up adding some sort of trim or mixed media so that it doesn't seem so flat. And so this is they call it a trim bundle or a ribbon bundle from Michaels. This is a gold set now, like just tons of different gold. Love it, love it, love it. I have a Halloween set. I had the Christmas set. I frankly might collect them all, and I have been consciously using it just as an extra layer at the edge of pages and projects, and I love that added texture because, like I said, sometimes pages can be flat, and this helps that. Okay, that finishes this layout. Off camera, I just added another cluster of embellishments there, another flower to this little area and one over here. I thought I was going to have a lot of longhand journaling explaining my word, but I just thought my handwriting in that gold Posca paint pan saying balance was suffice to start walking with my word beside me this year. I chose balance simply because I feel like I prioritize, you know, like mom life and work, but not necessarily like self-care and my health and, you know, working on, you know, things that bring me joy. So I just want to do each aspect of my life equally. That way, hopefully I stay sane So that's why I chose the word balance. So I love to start in my traveler's notebook like this. I love this collection and the colors. I will leave Traci Reed's collection called Renewal linked below where you can find it. I will also leave the link to the rest of the design team below so you can carry on our YouTube hop for inspiration. And thank you as always for joining me. Please subscribe if you are new here. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.